Hello amigos! The official specs from the upcoming GoPro Hero 9 have been leaked, and for what it looks like, finally GoPro make the move and have updated the CMOS sensor of the camera to bring up to 5K at 30 frames per second. My name is Enrique and welcome to my channel, and on here you are going to find all related to technology and video creation. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and notifications bell. Now, with the introduction put out of the way, let's take a look at what we can expect from the new GoPro, including the new price that can surprise some of you guys. This is going to be a big upgrade from the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Not like previous years, the first big change for the upcoming GoPro Hero 9 is that it comes with a color front screen. Yes, my friends, for the first time it can easily be able to tell how the framing is when you are vlogging or using the camera in selfie mode. And even so, its really small screen is going to help you a lot because you don't need to anymore buy the expensive extra screen adapter that you will have on the previous models. But the most exciting upgrade is the sensor. Finally, GoPro updated their sensor to a CMOS 20 megapixels that is going to allow you to shoot videos on a resolution of 5120 by 2880 pixels and up to 30 frames per second. Yep, that is 5K. And to put it into perspective, why you need 5K is because when you are editing your videos, for example, you are going to be able to zoom in and frame better your shots in post without making a considerable loss on quality while still looking great. If you are excited about these new upgrades, write on the comments down below what is the best new feature that the new GoPro brings, and smash the like button because of the YouTube algorithm. And even if you don't want to be shooting at 5K because you don't want so large files or smoothness on your editing software, you are going to be really happy about this because it looks like when you are shooting on 4K, the camera will be actually making a 5K video and downsample it to 4K. So your footage is going to look extra crispy and sharp. And the changes keep on coming with the new Hypersmooth 3.0 that is going to stabilize your footage even more of what the GoPro Hero 8 does. And don't get me wrong, the stabilization on the GoPro Hero 8 is amazing. You can check my complete review of it here or here. I never know where to point at. We will have to test it to check it out, but we're going to be thinking to get the GoPro Hero 9 and you have a gimbal, maybe you can start thinking about getting rid of it. And the Time Wrap 3.0, that the famous mode of GoPro for taking time lapses and change from time lapse to normal speed video smoothly. I really have no idea what they can improve there because already on the previous model was working amazing. Let's take a quick look at the rest of the specs on the GoPro Hero 9 Black. It will be waterproof up to 10 meters, it's going to got voice control, slow motion data overlays, 1080p live streaming, super photo with HDR, and the already know raw photo mode. Another big update that maybe can upset some old GoPro users is that it's going to come with a new battery with it. The new battery that they built is 1720 mAh monster compared to the last battery on the GoPro Hero 8 that was 1220 mAh. So there is around 40% increase on the battery. From leaks, they look a little bit bigger and even the charger looks different. So I don't think you are going to be able to use your old batteries on it like you could before. But don't quote me on this, let's wait until the official release to test it out. And unfortunately, appears that GoPro are not going to be bringing back the removable lens that was on the Hero 7 and older models. Considering the fact that GoPro cameras are specially made for action scenes to be taken out with your bike and everything, this is going to make it that they can damage more easily. But with this, GoPro make the GoPro Plus plan with $5 a month that you have cloud storage and also enables you to replace your damaged GoPro up to two times a year. Maybe GoPro have learned a couple of things from Apple? But again, let's wait until they release it. And the newest leak is that it's going to be the price. A tweet from Roland Quant of WinFuture claims that the GoPro Hero 9 Black will cost 479 euros. If that is true, it will mean that the new GoPro camera will be around 10% more expensive than the Hero 8 Black that was at launch at 429. That is all the news that I got on the upcoming flagship camera of GoPro. Are you thinking of getting one? Let me know in the comments down below. So everybody, I hope you have enjoyed the video. I'm really waiting to the camera, probably I'm going to try to take my hands in one of them. Is somebody going to send me one? Please do it so. I will not be angry, don't worry. And now let's take a look at the comments that you guys rated on the last video. Sanshin64. Hello, my name is Sanshin64. Hello, Sanshin. It's great that you have uploaded a video, thank you. I will support it with a thumbs up. Have a great weekend, stay safe and healthy until then. Thank you very much, I wish you the same, and to everybody that's looking this video. To everybody in the world. Udo, is there insert work, bro? Thank you very much, my friend. Matthew Galerdio Music. Nice video again. I plan on trying Envato at some point. I see how it can be a huge time saver. Yeah, man. To making intros and taking some B-roll and footage. It's really worth it. Mixlody. Nice video, man. Yeah, I have been using Video Hive and Envato for many years on other things. Great video and thank you for sharing. Thanks to you for watching and always being here. So guys, that's it for the video for today. I hope you have enjoyed. You know what to do. Like the video if you like it, dislike if you didn't like it. And like always, my friends, like always, mi amigos. See you on the next time. Bye bye.